everybody, welcome back to EasyCoin's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about our open options algo trading software that we launched over a month ago. The software's performance has been absolutely amazing in the previous month and I'm going to be sharing the same with you. Along with the software's performance update, I'm also going to be sharing with you a few observations that we made about the strategy and backtested those. These observations have immensely improved the strategy's performance. I'm going to be talking about the same with you in this entire video. So make sure you watch the entire video so that you know what those observations are and how you can improve the strategy's performance with it. Before we jump to the performance update, let me first brief you what the strategy is. So the strategy basically takes the opening price of the day. If a 3-minute candle closes above the opening price, we take a long trade in Banknifty with 500 point target and 225 point trailing stop loss. If a 3-minute candle closes below the opening price, we take a short trade with 500 point target and 225 point trailing stop loss. We do this for maximum 3 trades, that is our max trade limit is 3. Now let's move to the performance part. So this is the Excel that we prepared for the weekly update from 14th November till 9th December. The first week that started on 14th November, the strategy's performance has not been that good. We made 2000 rupees in Nifty and lost around 5000 in Banknifty. The next week was around break even because we lost 4700 in Nifty and made around 5100 in Banknifty. The next week was actually good for the strategy because we got a very good rally in Nifty and made around 9700 rupees. In Banknifty we lost around 200. So the total net for the week was 9500 around. In the next week, that is the last week, we made a very good profit of around 18,000 rupees using this strategy. And this week's performance is yet to be updated. Today's performance has been updated because we made a 6,000 rupees profit in Banknifty as well as 6,000 rupees in Nifty. So now let's talk about the performance. So as you can see, in the first week we were in a drawdown of around 3,000 rupees. The next week was also not that good because we were in a break even. If we had decided to stop using the strategy and decided that the strategy does not work, we wouldn't have gotten to the profitable phase of the strategy. We would have quit the strategy too early. So make sure when you try out a new strategy, believing the backtest results of the strategy, you make sure that you try it for at least a month. Or I would suggest you try it for at least 3 months to know exactly how it performs in trending markets, how it performs in sideways markets, so that you can draw proper conclusions about the strategy. 1 week's performance or 1 day's performance is not a good indicator of the strategy, considering our backtest report goes as far as 7 to 8 months. So giving the strategy at least a month's time is the minimum that you can do to see the performance. So the net profit loss is around 21,000 in Nifty and 15,000, around 16,000 in Banknifty. Considering brokerage and taxes, 5,000 each in Banknifty and Nifty, we are at a return on investment of 63% in Nifty and 21% in Banknifty. The strategy's current performance is actually very good. It is according to our old report where we take the first trade with 1 lot, take the second trade with 2 lots and increase the quantity to 3 in the third lot. That is requiring a capital of 50,000 in Banknifty. The return on investment in this is actually very good when you start with. We were getting a 222% return on investment in the past 7 months. But we were trying to figure out a way to improve the strategy's performance and we made a few observations. First thing that we did was we decided, what if we don't increase the quantity in the second and the third trade? How is it going to impact the results of the strategy? We saw that the results were actually improving. We were getting around 335% return on investment compared to 222% in the previous iteration. Now, the second observation that we made is quite an interesting one. What we were observing was that when the size of the first candle, that is the body of the first candle, was very small, our stop losses were getting hit very quickly. That is, in the first 15-20 minutes we were out of the market because our stop losses were actually very small. So we decided to test by putting a lower limit to the size of the candle. We decided to put a lower limit of 20 points, 30 points, 50 points, and we saw that the results were improving significantly. The best results we were getting when we were putting a 50-point filter on the size of the candle. That is, if a candle is formed with the body size less than 50 points, we are going to avoid trading on those days. As you can see, previously with a capital of 50k, we were getting around 12,000 Bank Nifty points. Now we are getting 18,000 Bank Nifty points. That is an improvement of about 50% in performance. Our total trading days has also gone down significantly, which is going to reduce the number of trades. Hence, it's also going to reduce the brokerage and taxes that we pay. The average PNL per day has increased significantly because not only we are improving the number of points we are capturing, we are also reducing the number of days we are trading. See, exactly, the total number of trades has also gone down from 334 trades to only 183 trades. The ROI has increased significantly, almost more than doubled from 222% to 507%. We have almost doubled our return on investment by making some observations and actually putting a small filter on the strategy. So if you like this backtest report and the performance update of the strategy, make sure you give us a thumbs up. We give weekly updates about the strategy's performance here on our community tab on YouTube. So make sure you check that out on a weekly basis to know how the strategy has been performing. We also post daily updates about the strategy for those who have subscribed to the strategy here on our Telegram channel. We also give them safe exit points for the strategy so that they can exit their day in profit. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. I'm going to be putting this summary backtest report in the description, so make sure you check that out. Detailed backtest report will be updated on our Telegram channel. So if you do subscribe to the strategy or are already subscribed to the strategy, you are going to get access to the detailed backtest report. It is going to have everyday trade logs and everyday profit and loss logs for the strategy over the past 7 months. And if you want to try out this strategy, we are also giving a 2-day free trial. You can fill the Google form given in the description or in the first pinned comment, and you can get free trial for the strategy. If you did like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos about strategies and our algos. Let us know what you think about this video in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy trading.